load these magazines, instead of slapping it, you kind of got to pull back when you get it in there. You'll hear the click once it's in, all right? When they shoot it out, there's but then of course that one did full auto. Yeah, that's about let's go. I gave him a loaded magazine.
One round or one magazine, 30 rounds versus one magazine, 20 rounds.
If there's any issue, I'll go. Okay. Yeah, we.
Target. Weapons 3, weapons 3, weapons good question. I think just from a overall capability, it's more lethality, right? You're able to, the average infantryman or close combat force soldier is going to be able to be more accurate in fewer rounds and penetrate further and through more covered positions, right? The adage, this weapon system is now taking what used to be cover and turning it into concealment. Which is good for the infantryman, good for the close combat force soldier, that we're going to be more lethal at distance. And as we integrate new capabilities into the Army writ large with robotics, new UAS systems, human-machine integration and teaming, all of that is going to make us as a formation more lethal at distance. And this is one piece of that new design and new transformation that the Army is going through right now. So a great capability for the close combat force that I think we'll continue to learn from and see the value of it as we test and experiment throughout the rest of this year and bring it into JRTC in March of 2025. No, I think the 101st, phenomenal division, and the Army chose this for a reason. We are the best at long-range, large-scale air assault. We bring in a unique capability to the Army, and through that, this highlights for the Army our ability to test, use, and experiment with the Army's newest weapon system since 1967. I think there's a lot of pride in the organization to be able to do this for the Army, but then also a lot of we feel that responsibility to make sure that we do it correctly and we give feedback to the Army on how this weapon system is, how the fielding is going, and to continue to improve it over time.